Hi, this cat is called How many stairs will Suzuki climb in 20 years? What do we have? Well, we get a list as an argument, the stairs, and that are all the stairs that Suzuki will climb in 1 year. And what we have to return is the total amount of stairs Suzuki will climb in 20 years. Well, let's go. Oh, and important to note, the list consists all the weekdays of the year, but the total amount of stairs for the entire year. So let's start iterating for weekday in stairs. And then for amount in weekday and print the amount of stairs. Yep, so what we basically have to do is to create a new variable and to add it up to the new variable. So the result is 0. And what we have to do is to do the following. Result is equal to result plus the amount, or shorthanded plus equals. So this is the 1-year estimate, the 1-year total, this one. Let's rename this, by the way. It's better. So let's return that. Yeah, that's this amount, and this is the expected output. Oh, and then we can just use this. This is what I took from the description. So the 1-year total multiplied by 20 is the 20-year estimate. So let's return that. It's an invalid variable name. Yeah, that is correct. You can't start with a decimal number in Python. So let's rename this 20-year estimate. It's the same, but convert to letters. And there we go. That's the expected output. True. And by the way, you can put this in one line as well, and list comprehension as follows. So let's make the same variable, the 1-year total is equal to, and then the list, and then you have to read it as follows: amount for weekday in stairs, and then for amount in weekday, and that will return just a list with all the stairs that the monk will climb in 1 year. Let's return that. Yeah, and what we can do is to use the sum function, put the entire list in as an argument, that will return the sum. Yeah, so what we have to do is the same. We use this variable, and we multiply the 1-year total again with 20 to return the 20-year estimate. So when we return that, we get the same output. There we have it. Well, let's test it out. Attempt. And there we go. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.